Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we're going to be learning how to play the recorder. Let's start. Okay, first, holding the recorder. To do this, you will need to hold left hand first, not right, the left hand first. You're going to take your left hand closest to the left side, and you're going to hold your recorder like this. And I will show you where to put your fingers. Then you're going to take your right hand, closest to the window for me, and then hold it like this. And don't do anything yet. Then you're going to make an L shape with your left hand. Take one finger. You're going to put it on this front first hole. And then you're going to put it on the back hole, squeezing them very tightly, and then you made holes with your fingers. You're going to hold them not as tightly now, but just a little bit like this. And make sure you're covering up those holes and not anything else. And what you want to do while you're breathing is you want to be quiet. You don't want to go like, because the recorder makes it sound when you're breathing lightly. So like this. And that's the first sound. And never do it like this, because this is what a recorder sounds like on its own. Horrible, right? You want to put one finger like this, and if you don't get it right away, that's okay. What I like to do, I only learned yesterday, but you want to first practice doing this. And you want to puff your cheeks in and out while breathing. And blowing in like that. Then what you want to do right now is go like this. See me puff my cheeks? Now, you're going to try. Take your recorder. This is my mom's. And you can always go back and you can master how to play the recorder. My recorder comes apart. This is the top. This is the bottom. And I know it feels a little weird if you're a righty, but that's with the right hand, and you never want to do it like that. See, it doesn't sound as good when you use your right hand. This is the left. And make sure you breathe slowly and not trying to spit in the recorder, because that can be bad. So now, time for a second note. You're gonna hold the thumb like this and finger on this. You're gonna take your next finger, which is your middle finger, and you're going to place it on the second hole of your recorder. See, it doesn't sound as good when you don't puff your cheeks. So we're gonna try this note on our own and then combine them like this. Now, combining them, we'll be doing it like this. Did you hear that? Yes, that's how you play with this. This is on its own. All together. That's perfect. So what you want to do is we're going to do a quick review of what we learned so far. Make an L. Place them with your left hand really hard and make holes with your fingers. Then you're going to place lightly. Make sure you're covering the holes all the way. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna do this, and you're gonna press on the next one. Once you've done that, then you played the second note. Then you play the third note. And then you're gonna play the first note. And it's okay if you didn't do it yet. You have to watch this video a couple times in order to know how to play the recorder. I'll be back soon with your next lesson. See ya!